Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Alrighty. Good morning. Give everybody a couple minutes to hop on in here and then we'll get started. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. But two more beautiful swings playing out in our favor. Very first one being this uranium that you see on the screen. So with the uranium, I talked about this one. I don't even know how many times I talked about it, but I talked about it a lot. So hopefully you guys took advantage of it. But this monthly squeeze setup, right? We bought the leaps, we bought the equity, and the leaps are currently up 90%. The equity is up like $3.40, I believe, from where we entered. So far, beautiful trade. Already took profits off of this uranium, ideally looking for that 100% today, which it looks like we're more than likely going to get as long as we hold up at this 26 area. But this was just a phenomenal swing that we ended up taking. So again, hopefully you guys took it. Done talked about this thing so many times with you guys. So hopefully you took advantage of it. Next swing was actually on TIBA, where we did the equity. We were able to catch a very nice move out of this. We entered this day right here. Stop loss was right below these lows, ideally aiming for 10. So our entry was around, I think I got filled like 952, 954, somewhere around there. We're up at 1033. So from that point, obviously this is equity, not options, but still, if we entered at 953, which, oops, yeah, right here, all the way to yesterday's high is going to be around a 9% or 8.65% return on this equity swing. So what, in 1, 2, 3, 4 days, 3.5 days pretty much. So still looking for more out of this. If we look at the weekly, this is an absolutely beautiful breakout on the weekly. Look at that right there. Boom, smack that weekly 8 EMA and then push the upside, and we got the breakout. So already trimmed a decent amount of this off. My stop loss is going to be a break even. And we are going to rock and roll and see what we can get out of it. So again, hopefully you guys caught that. I talk about all this stuff inside of Team Bull. So if you're in Team Bull, there's no excuses on why you shouldn't be taking these swings. We've been crushing the swings lately. PSX went 300%. That's not right. PSX went 300%. Is when I sold. It eventually went like 800%. BRKB did 200%. This swing right here. Why is it not pulling up? Oh wait, hold on. BRK/B. There we go. This one did 200%. So let's get this. Let's get this and see what we find today. Don't forget we got PPI at 830. Let's find some levels. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty. Go. Honestly, I didn't even realize how flat we are on the week. I could see this break above the weekly high. Possibly see a continuation. Only reject I'm interested in is that 45.55, as we talked about all week. Take off the 50. So break above here, look for the push into there, look for a reject there. After that, I mean, it's pretty much a straight shot into these highs right here. And then if I'm going to be looking for a bounce, it's going to be pivot low, pivot high, and it's going to be 44.76. Take that off. Break it down to a 4-hour. We do have a nice 4-hour squeeze. Possibly a pivot low, pivot high here that we could use. Just going to have to wait and see based off the PPI. Then on the 1 hour time frame, we had a nice 1 hour squeeze. Same thing yesterday. Looks like it's trying to fire. I mean, if we went back into a squeeze, maybe that 1 hour 21 EMA, the only issue is, again, PPI is going to be important. So, yeah, if I'm going to watch anything, it's a break above this high, maybe even a liquidity sweep up there. This was yesterday's PPI low. So that's an area we want to know about. This previous low over here we want to know about. And that is it. So that's all the levels on ES for the time being until we get closer to PPI. Good morning. Yep, the moving averages are candles, not it's just whatever time frame you're using. Let's see, SPY came up. Projected off of, what was that? Tuesday's high. Don't really care about that. Going to be watching this high over here. 449.52 to 450 for the reject. And then again, we have PPI low. And then the previous low before that. Sorry, I have to keep clearing my throat. I don't know why. Alrighty. 442.75. This was Monday's high. Yeah, so if we clear Monday's high, look for that. 450, break above 450. We got room. Cool. I do want to say, if you guys do want to apply for the next mastermind, the next Team Bull mastermind, learn from me, Jadon, Grizzly, GD, and all the other elites and admins inside of Team Bull. Definitely make sure you guys do apply for the next coming mastermind. I think it's starting literally in like 2 weeks. But here's the link right here. Apply for the next mastermind. Boom. You do that right there. I'm going to pin it in the comments. Bang. So yeah, you learn from me and the whole Team Bull squad inside of that. Plus you get lifetime access. But there is ES and SPY. Let's take a look at NQ. I mean, that 61.8 is a massive level. We held it very nicely yesterday. So maybe an area that I'd be interested in for a bounce. Just because, again, a lot of price action at that level could come back down. Dude, what do you mean weak masterminds? What do you mean? We got hundreds of testimonials. Hundreds. I'm sure some people in here have also been inside the masterminds and can vouch for it. But, besides the hater in the chat, possible liquidity sweep here, and then the main bounce is going to be down at 15,324. And then if we start breaking above the overnight high, I'm going to be looking for the push into this high over here. Boom. And then I'm pretty sure we already broke. Yep, we done broke that. All right, and then we have that 1 hour squeeze that we want to keep on watch. Let's take a look at QQQ. That's right, Mastermind 5, baby. We're on Mastermind 6 now. About to be. High, pivot, low. I mean, we respected it during market. Maybe. Whoever said I was leaving Team Bull to start my own group is completely wrong. Because I would never leave Team Bull. That is false. False, 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 whoever said it. And if that's a joke, don't say that either. That is never going to happen. 655. We're going to see how price reacts there. If it just breaks through it, this is Monday's high. And then after that, we have the push to the upside. No, I am not leaving Team Bull. It's never going to happen. So this guy is a hater. He is a hater. He woke up upset this morning. It's okay. Somebody said Team Bull was falling off, and we've just been crushing it ever since that dude said it. That's okay though. You're not allowed in the live streams anymore either. You bum. Get out of here. All right, 376.5. We got these levels. We got that low down there. And then I believe, let's see, let's go to daily. Also, I'm 99% sure that dude has testimonials inside of Team Bull. That's the funny thing, though. All the people that like to start hating on Team Bull, they always have a testimonial in there saying how much Team Bull has helped them in their trading. Every time. It's actually funny. But, yeah, those bounces are far away. QQQ, we did NQ, we did SPY, ES. All right, let's take a look at some individuals. And then we will go from there. All righty. Let's pull up the weekly watch list. Amazon, the first one. Huge push yesterday. Very interested in a bounce down at that 1 hour 21 EMA. Amazon. Let's see, coin. Don't really care about. Meta. Still very interested in this daily setup that we got going on. I mean, anywhere down towards that 298, I'm interested in. Maybe even a high-risk breakout above yesterday's high. So, Meta. Take a look at Apple. Don't really care about Apple. IWM. Don't care about. Netflix. Got slaughtered. I don't know what happened there. We already put Meta. Oh, wait, that's not even the weekly watch list. Whoops. All right, whatever. USO. Guess I'm not going to trade that. That already done made the move. AMD. Getting close to that daily breakout. Still waiting for this to potentially play out, but what's today? We need the break of 109, like 110 is the area that I want to watch. We're at 108.60. Mainly want to watch it for a swing though. So we're going to keep that on the side. We looked at Amazon, we looked at Coin, we looked at Meta, SQ. Don't care about till it gets to 51. Upwork was looking for a swing. Roku, same thing, looking for a swing. Oh, never mind. Lost that daily 21 EMA. And then IBKR, which still, that made the pullback. So maybe, we'll see. We'll see today if we can get a swing there. So, all right, let's pull up the day trading watch list. We got PPI dropping here in 7 minutes. We looked at Apple, AMD, Amazon, Boeing. Definitely not interested in that. Baba, definitely not interested. Actually, hold on, 86, 63. Yeah, definitely not interested in that. A coin don't care about. Costco making its move back up. Google, I mean, a pullback, maybe. We looked at IWM, we looked at Meta, Microsoft. Maybe that 1 hour 21 EMA for Microsoft. And let's see. We looked at Netflix, NVIDIA. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you want this watch list posted in the chat today. Gotta make sure you're running up them likes if you want it. Let's see, PayPal, I'm not a fan of. We looked at Roku. Shopify, I think, is finally going to try to break this cup and handle today. So that could go on the watch list. Depends on the PPI. Still holding my lotto on this thing. Like I said, negative 100%. Or plus 100% is what I'm looking for. So, until it expires worthless, I am still in it. Can't tell you how many people have asked me about that the Shopify. Are you still in? Are you still in? I specifically said when I entered, it is a lotto. I am risking everything. Anyways, Tesla. I like that setup. All right, we got Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Shopify, and Tesla. Those are my favorite setups for the day. Anybody, what time is it? 8:25. We got 5 minutes until PPI. So does anybody got questions while we're just chilling here and waiting? Any questions? IBB for a swing. Does it have a squeeze? That is the question. Remember, I only swing if there's a squeeze. Yeah, no, I'm not touching that. There is, however, one stock that I'm watching. CPNG for a swing. I do like that. It's some China stock. But I do really like this for a move back up into 20 and then 20.6. So keeping a close eye on this one for a possible entry today. We'll see. Microsoft's on the list right now. As of this moment, it is. Again, we'll see once CP. Oh my God, I keep saying CPI. Once PPI drops, that's when we will confirm or not confirm. Nothing on Netflix. Not interested in. What do I think the high on Tesla will be today? I have absolutely no clue. Again, if I knew the answer to that, I'd probably make $10 million trading today. But I have no clue what the high will be today. Other questions? Nah, nothing on Mara. Kind of just waiting for Bitcoin to figure out what it wants to do. Kind of just waiting to see. I mean, I see a 1 hour squeeze that I'm interested in on Tesla to the upside. Booking. It depends if it holds this daily 21 EMA. That's going to be the main thing. Would like to see a weekly pullback, but yeah, I mean, the daily 21 EMA is going to be the one that you want to watch. How did I size up? Slowly. It's not like when I'm sizing up, I'm going 10 contracts extra. Just a couple contracts, a few contracts, and then once I become consistent, then I add more. Again, doing the same thing. Yeah, but Baba, it pushed up to the upside. I'm more interested in that gap fill. Of course, if you want to apply for the upcoming mastermind, learn from me and a bunch of other amazing traders, you can get that using this link right here. And there's only one way to get my TTM squeeze scanners, and you can only purchase it on my website. I can drop the link if you want to get the scanner, but they are only purchasable. There's a link to the scanner if you want to go and get it. I'm also coming up with more scanners. I'll probably have like 3 or 4. Been working on some on the back end. But we got 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. Minute 15 seconds. Again, make sure you guys are running up them likes. If you guys want this watch list, post it in the chat. Remember, 225 likes, you guys get the watch list for free. I don't trade IPOs. So whatever ARM is, I'm going to stay 100 miles away from that. Not going to touch it with a 500-foot pole. Or actually, no, a 100-mile pole. Huh. Yeah, that's what I use, is ThinkorSwim. They're only ThinkorSwim scanners. Yeah, again, here's the link to get the TTM speed scanner. It's only for ThinkorSwim. All right, 10 seconds. Pump or dump? What are the numbers? All right, PPI month over month 0.7% versus 0.3 previous, estimate 0.4, so higher than the previous, higher than the estimate. PPI year over year 1.6, forecast 1.3, previous 0.8, so that literally doubled from the previous. Then we have retail sales of 0.6, forecast 0.1, previous 0.7. All right, so our year over year PPI higher than forecast. Month over month higher than forecast. Both pretty much doubled from the last. So let's see how the market reacts. Then we have the core PPI, which is right on the money. Apparently, the ECB raises interest rates by 25 basis points. See what this market does. There we go. Alrighty. I actually haven't even checked the Fed rate hike futures in a minute. I don't even know when our... Oh, we got FOMC next week. And as of right now, there's a 97% chance that they keep the rates the same. That's what the Fed rate hike futures are saying. And by the end of the year in December, it looks like a majority of people are estimating that we're only going to get one more. So let's see. Let's give the market a couple minutes, digest the information, and then we'll see what happens. I thought CPI was lower yesterday. I will say PPI was hot, but I was pretty sure that CPI was below. Alrighty. What was yesterday? The 13th. Yeah, CPI was right on the money yesterday. It was PPI that was hot. Yeah, pretty much right on the money with the CPI. Alrighty. Let's do this. Finalize some levels. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you guys want this watch list posted in the chat for free. You guys have 15 more minutes to hit the like goal of 225 likes. We're at 112 now. So you guys need about 113 more if you want this watch list posted in the chat for free. You guys can do it. You guys do it every day. But you guys got to do it by 8:50. Anyways, let's see. So yeah, again, reject up there. Not really any good bounces that I'd be super interested in. So SPY. Start getting this typed out. Alrighty. There's SPY. QQQ. I mean, with QQQ, I mean, don't necessarily have any good levels. Yeah, I mean, I don't. With QQQ, I don't have anything. We're just trading in this very small range. You have a nice 4-hour squeeze. It depends if we hold that 4-hour 21 EMA. That's going to be the main thing. But yeah, I mean, that's it. The 4-hour 21 EMA, that's the only level that I see that's going to be important for QQQ and NQ. Other than that, I really don't have any levels on it. So nothing really to be seen there. Let's see, Amazon, that was previous high, 144. 143.60. Double top. Let's see if it can become support, which it did over here. I mean, I like both of these levels for a possible bounce. I see more probability there. So Amazon definitely going on the list. Amazon. I talk about it in the admin trading floor. I specifically say, like, hey, I got a swing that I'll be watching, be here at the end of the day. Amazon watching for a bounce. Oops. Bounce around the 1-hour 21 EMA to 143.63. All right, there's Amazon. Meta. Again, I like Meta from a higher time frame perspective on the daily. Again, could be a high risk breakout trade above yesterday's high. Microsoft pulling back. Shopify. Good morning. Alrighty, let's see, Tesla. Alright, SPY, Amazon, Tesla. Like I said, not really anything on QQQ that I'm too interested in. Gotta hold 271.31 on Tesla. Yeah, I would say if you're going to watch anything on QQQ today, it's going to be this 4-hour squeeze. It's going to be the main thing. Why am I getting alerts about ES? I mean, maybe even liquidity down here at or on ES 45.22. That's definitely a possibility. Maybe a liquidity sweep down there. Victor, definitely make sure to check out both my books on Amazon. Highly suggest. Might be a little biased on that, but you're gonna learn a lot from both those books, especially those few questions that you just asked will be answered inside the books. The New Age of Technical Analysis and The New Age of Day Trading, both on Amazon. But yeah, 45.22. Let's look for liquidity down there. NQ, is there a low that we could use? Very close to it. What time was that? 4:25. So London low. Maybe a liquidity sweep there. We did sweep liquidity over here. I'll just go ahead and target this liquidity. We'll see. Let's run through the watch list one more time. Again, make sure you guys are running up them likes. If you guys want this watch list, 225 likes is the goal. I don't even know how many likes we're at right now. We got 222 people in here with 141. You guys got 9 minutes to hit the like goal. So you guys need another 85. Yes, start with the first book and then read the second book. That's the order that I recommend. First and then second. We put Amazon on the list. Meta, going to keep that on a side watch. Microsoft, don't really care about. Shopify, really depends on that cup and handle. I mean, it could run. It has the potential. But nothing right now. No dice. Let's see if uranium's holding up. Hopefully. Oh, yeah, baby. We are hitting 100% today on this swing, ladies and gentlemen. If we can hold this 26, we are going to hit 100% on this swing. This was a banger swing. And let me tell you, your boy cleared a bag off of this swing trade. An absolute bag. Absolute. Alrighty. Let's just put QQQ. All right. SPY, Amazon, Tesla, QQQ. Again, the main thing, 4-hour squeeze. That's the daily. That's not what I wanted. There we go, 4-hour. Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we got 7 minutes until the end of the live stream with 158 likes. Remember, the like goal is 225. We're at 160 now. Like goal is 225. At 8:50, that's when the live stream is going to end. But for the meantime, in the next 5-6 minutes, I'm here for you guys to answer any questions that you guys might have about trading. I can look at some of the stocks that you guys want me to look at. The only thing I ask of you is that it's not a penny stock or like a super random stock that I would never trade. But other than that, I will take a look at them and I will answer any trading questions that you guys have until 8:50. So in the meantime, has anybody got questions? Yeah, Fibonacci. That man's a legend. Dude has made me so much money. Watch list, we only post the watch list at 225 likes. Only when we hit the like goal. CTRA. Actually, this isn't bad. It's going to move with the oil stocks. So, I mean, to be honest with you, yesterday was a good day. Obviously, this is in hindsight. Yesterday was a good day to try to enter. Keep your stop loss below this low. Maybe if it comes back and retests that daily 21 EMA, then I'd be interested. But, and then obviously aim for this high up here. I just think there's better oil and energy stocks that can be kept on watch that are going to be moving more than this. It might. Weekly squeeze fired up. Might be in a monthly. Yeah, it's in a monthly squeeze. Looks a lot like the uranium chart that we swung, right? Nice breakout. But maybe leaps. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Again, just try to get in as close to 21 EMA as possible. Pay myself every single day over X amount. I withdraw. UPS. I know double bottom. They're pretty damn close to double bottom. This might actually go on the watch list today. 158, 160, $2 gap. Is there liquidity? UPS. I mean, if you're somehow losing on the uranium that is gonna be up 100% today, I don't know what you did. But yes, I'm definitely locking in my profits at 100%. Yesterday, they were at like 92%, 91% at the close. So we're definitely going to be at 100% today. Let's see. UPS. Honestly, this is going on the watch list. Bang. There's UPS. Thank you for bringing that up. Alrighty. Yes. Hey, I appreciate that, David. Yes, I have the stacked EMAs on the other screen. Yes. I mean, it's just kind of in consolidation. Or it is in consolidation. Tell you what, when that monthly squeeze fires, this could come into play over the next few months. Obviously, it's going to take some patience, but if we could build a base above that monthly 21 EMA, I'd look for the pushback into the highs. And I mean, I've been talking about this setup for a while on the Dow with that monthly squeeze, which looks phenomenal. So looking for that push into 39K. We'll see. Again, if you guys want this watch list, we got 2 minutes for you guys to hit the like goal. We're at 190. You guys need 35 more likes in the next 2 minutes. If you guys want this watch list, can you guys do it? I'll extend it to 852 for you guys to hit 225 likes. Yeah, somebody brought up Baba, but it's not down at the gap fill anymore. Then you asked about PG. Same thing, just in consolidation. I mean, I'd look for better structure before taking that. JPM. JPM. Hey, if they want the watch list, I could just end it right now and not give it. What do you guys think? Stafford, I don't think wants everybody to have the watch list today. Should I not drop it? Tesla's on the watch list. Yes, indeed. Alrighty. Pull up SPY. Boom. Nope, it's got to be 225. You guys are 25 away. I'm watching it. You guys know the drill. Guys know the drill. We always get that little short squeeze on the likes at the end. Speaking of which, hold on. And join the Zoom, the Team Bull Zoom. Oh, it might be a little late. I might get yelled at by Jadon. There we go. What you guys thinking today? Pump or dump? Did that quick. I was only in there for like 2 seconds, bro. I must have been waiting. It's funny. Looks like we're not going to hit the like goal today, ladies and gentlemen. Does not look like we're going to hit it. Is Amazon dumping? No. I'll tell you what, though, I'm very interested in that bounce down there. Very, very interested. I'll make you guys a deal, though. This is the one time I'm going to drop it before we hit the like goal. But going forward, 225 likes is always going to be the goal for the watch list. I will drop it today and be nice to you guys. So, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. Again, that's the one time I'm going to do it for you guys. I'm going to be nice. There's SPY, Amazon, Tesla, QQQ, and UPS. Boom. Alrighty. Did they hit the sweep? Oh, they did it. Broke above that high. Just retested that 1 hour 21 EMA, 4 hour 21 EMA on that NQ and QQQ. So, again, that 4 hour squeeze is going to be the best. Why are you being salty? Calm down. Calm down, Stafford. It is okay. You're getting salty this morning. It is okay, brother. But that is the watch list today, everybody. Everybody have an amazing day. Let's run it up. Let's get some money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes. And then other than that, I will talk to everybody tomorrow, bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Let's run it up. Let's make this bread. I'll talk to everybody then. Peace.